Hey guys, my name's Lucas, Art Raving Dad, and this is
Phoenix.
And today on the show, we're gonna draw
Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles.
That's right, we're gonna draw a Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtle. We're gonna draw the face of a Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtle. All right, let's get to it.
Yay.
Woo! So the first thing you wanna do, we're gonna do the Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtle's nose.
No.
So sort of in the middle, you wanna do a hill. So you wanna go around, up and down the hill, like that. So that's the mound of his nose. The next thing we are going to do is we're going to do the side of his cheek. So you want to sort of start here at the bit of the hill and then come around like a big C. Now, take your time with this. Don't stress if you don't get it right. It's going to be your own interpretation. Probably the best thing you could do a line there and maybe where you want to go. So maybe about there. So we're going to do a big C. Big as you can go all the way around and make some, and there you go. We have a chunky cheek on one side. Okay, so the next step is, I did say a C on this side, but this is a backward C. We're actually gonna do a proper C on this side. All right, so you want to do your markers, your lines, one there, and maybe one, maybe there. Let's go again. We're gonna go a big bump like so. Okay, so you've got that going on. Now the next step is we wanna do the chin of the Ninja Turtle. So you wanna go around, upside down smile, well, not an upside down smile. Now, the next step is we're gonna do the smile of the Ninja Turtles. Ninja Turtles back in the 90s when I was growing up, they were smiling, they were happy, they were fun, they were cool. So what you wanna do like a big smile like this, a line in here, from left to right. Beautiful, Phoenix.
Looks like a cloud.
It looks like a fluffy cloud. It looks like a happy cloud. If you were happy with that and you didn't want to draw the Ninja Turtle, you're like, I don't want to draw it, you could just color it in blue and put some eyes on it and it's a cloud. All right, so we're going to do like the mouth when he's opening his mouth, and we're going to do like a U here. So we go like that. Cool. Cool. And then we're going to do the tongue. It's another heel inside like that on the angle, like that. Beautiful work, Phoenix. Now we're going to do two little hooks on the side here, two little sort of semi-U's, one there to form off the smile, and another one on the other side, on the left side. So the next step is we're going to draw the Ninja Turtle's eyes here, and these are really, easy sort of like loops around here. So we're going to go one on the left here, we're going to go up there from the cheek and down here sort of into the nose. Whoa. And we're going to do the same thing on the opposite side, up. So like little curved doors. And sorry, I'm making a big squeak with my marker. Good work, Phoenix. Awesome work. Now, with the Ninja Turtle, we're going to do two little circles here in the corner to form off his eyes. One there and one there. And like always, we're going to color these ones in black. No highlights today. So we can see it sort of taking shape. It does kind of look like a chunky cloud with eyes at the moment, doesn't it?
Look at mine.
Oh, that's cool.
Look at mine. He looks like a silly cloud.
Okay, so the next step, what we want to do is we want to form off two little, eyebrows up here where the mask sits. So you need to do one there, like a U like this, and another U over here. So you can treat them as eyebrows to begin with. And what we will do here is we'll draw a line, sort of a semi-line into there. So this is forming the mask that they wear around and they tie on their heads. From here, let's focus on this side here, and we want to do sort of where the mask sits tight. There's a little bit of a bump happening. So what we want to do, we want to go one little angle line into there, sort of halfway in between where the eye meets. And then from here, I want you to take one of your eyebrow lines down just a little bit more. And then from here, you want to draw a line that comes in and around and scoops into there. So you can see that there, that this will form when the Ninja Turtles tie their masks onto their faces. It sort of has a bit of a bump there because when they tie it tight, and it forms the mask over here. Now on the other side, I want you to do the same thing with this eyebrow. Bring it down just a little bit. Just the tiniest bit. Now from here, what I want you to do is the same thing on this side here, is I want you to do a line that goes in like this. We're going to make it go in a bit further like that. So it's sort of like a hook that comes in. Beautiful work, Phoenix, love it. And then from here, we're going to do a line that goes down and curves in like that. So there you go. This is the color of the mask, and later on we're going to color this in to whatever color you want, but we'll get there in a minute. Yeah. So that's that. Now, we have the Ninja Turtle's head. It's literally going to be just a curved heel that's going to go from there all the way to over here. So maybe in line with there. So here we go.
There we go.
Good job, Phoenix. I like it. Very good. So that's basically the Ninja Turtle done. The only thing we need to do is just like a little knot here with a couple of two little bits of material that are done in a knot. So you want to do the big knot where they would have tied it up on the side, their mask. And we're going to go one line in like that. And we're going to go a line that kind of goes in like that. And then you want to follow this line in and around like so, like that. Okay. Good work, Phoenix. Ooh, I like it. Oh, he looks like a very sad peanut.
No.
No? Looks like a sausage? A sad sausage. Okay.
Balloon.
A balloon. Okay. Now, the next thing you want to do is we're going to do a little curve that comes up like that.
I think I know what it is. It's a fortune cookie.
A fortune cookie? Okay. And then we're going to curve this line around into here and then curve it around like that. And then from here you can do whatever you want because this will be flapping in the wind. We're going to go around and up and in like so, like that. And there you go. So you can imagine, oh, look at that, Phoenix, that's awesome. So can you imagine if you tied a mask onto here and you tied it tight there, you'd have a few bumps here and a few bumps there and a couple little bits of material hanging out on the side. So Phoenix, which Ninja Turtle are you going to colour in today?
Michelangelo.
So Michelangelo is orange,
yeah.
And he always says, "Cowabunga, dude," and he's always happy to skateboard and eat pizza and stuff, like they all do anyway. So you're going to do that orange. And what colour do you think I'd do? Which Ninja Turtle should I do today?
Purple.
Purple. So purple is Donnie. Yeah. So let's get to it. We're going to colour this in and we'll see you guys on the other side. See you then. All right, there we go, guys. Look what we've done. We've coloured in the Ninja Turtles.
Yeah.
So Phoenix has done Michelangelo. How radical and cowabunga does he look? He looks like he's eaten too much pizza, I think. And I've done Donatello. Very, very cool. Purple, orange. I like what you've done here with the different greens and stuff. It's really good. There's different shades. It's almost like he's in different light. So when different light hits your skin, or in this case, the turtle's skin, greens look a bit different, don't they? All right, guys, there we go. My name's Lucas, Art Repping Dad, and this is
Phoenix.
And today we had fun making art. I hope you did too. We'll see you next time.
Bye.
Bye. It's your interpretation.
Cowabunga dudes.
Cowabunga dudes, woo! So today we had fun making art. Making heart.